Man, have you ever went to Walmart and came out the wrong way and then you look out to see where your car at? You're like, where my car at? Somebody got my car.
I've never seen stuff they messed up on. I'm sure you hear me. You gonna mess up. Especially when you working with D.I.Y with the Richardsons.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, man. Yeah, this is your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the Richardsons. Man, I'm back with another video, man. Today, what we gonna do, man? It's a beautiful day out here today, man. Check it out. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful day out here, man. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. You know, the word of God said, in all things give thanks, man. So I'm giving thanks, man, for being alive one more time, man. But anyway, man, today we are going to do an oil change on my wife's vehicle, because we got to hit the road tomorrow, man. We're going to do an oil change, man, on this Tahoe. So I'm going to show y'all how to do an oil change. Give me a little light in here, man. One day I'm gonna get me a good camera, but until then, I gotta do what I gotta do. Oh, I gotta get the company logo off there. Get the company logo off of there. But anyway, man, we got a 2007 Tahoe, man. We got to put it on the road. I clean up today and change the oil on the day. So I'm gonna show y'all how to change it all, man. But I gotta get ready to go to Wally World.
What is that?
Wally World. Yeah. Anyway, man. But I'm gonna get ready to go to Wally World, man, pick up some oil, cause that's the cheapest place to get your oil. Anyway, man. But y'all come on, man, roll with me. Hitting this road, man. Get on ahead to Wally World, man. Oh, big truck. Get that power on. Y'all heard that LS motor? Tell me why every time there's a Walmart, there's a Lowe's. I don't know, man. They might be connected some kind of way, man. Let's get up out of here. Get up Walmart. Man, this right here is called the Ghetto Walmart. That's sad, man. Look it up, man. Google it for yourself, man. You'll see why they call it the Ghetto Walmart, man. What's that? 5,000 aluminum. Might use that. 21 bucks. Alright, man. I'm back. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This Super Tech, man. This Super Tech. So I'm gonna find 5W30 Super Tech. I usually put synthetic in there, but I'm gonna try something a little different, man. But anyway, man, this is the oil we're gonna put in the Tahoe today, man. Y'all do your research on this, man. Come to find out that this oil here is actually decent oil. But look at the price, man. $15, $14, man. Anyway, man, we're gonna get this oil, man, and we get back with y'all. Man, have you ever went to Walmart and came out the wrong way and then you look out to see where your car at? You're like, where my car at? Somebody got my car. Nah, anyway, man. But man, we up out of Walmart, man. About to get ready to get up in the Tahoe, man. Head back to the house. And we gonna change it all out. Anyway, man, y'all get back with your boy, man. D.I.Y with your wrist. Come on with me. And we finna get ready to do this this oil change on the 2007 Chevy Tahoe. I know a lot of you guys out there watching this probably like,
man, I already know how to change
and stuff like that, but we do have females that maybe possibly don't have nobody, and you know, when a female goes somewhere, they get taken advantage of. So might be some females out there that might want to try to do this for themselves. But anyway, man, y'all come on with me, man. I'm gonna show you how to change this oil on 2007 Tahoe. Alright, man, as you see, this is a 5.3 liter Vortec engine. These motors are very simple to work on. But this technique that we're gonna do is it applies to any type of motor you have. Any type of motor you have. Alright. So first of all, you need to know where your dipstick at, your oil dipstick, because you're gonna have to check your oil. On this vehicle, this is the oil dipstick. Sometimes they're gonna be in yellow. Sometimes they're gonna be in yellow. And it might say on the actual dipstick that it's oil. So ladies that's watching this, you know, find where your oil, get familiar with your vehicle, find out where your oil stick at, and we'll show you how to check that too when we get through. But anyway, basically this is what we got. So the first thing we're gonna do, we get up under the truck. You find your oil pan, which your oil pan will be the bottom of your engine. You're gonna have a screw. A bolt. You don't have an oil pan bolt. This is your drain bolt. Okay? I got on gloves because I just drove this vehicle and it's hot. But normally you want to do this when your vehicle has been sitting and it's cold. So the first thing you do, you will open up this drain. Make sure you have a drain pan up under it, and then let all your oil drain out, and then we'll go to the oil filter. Alright, we're gonna get that done. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Alright. As you see, I got the oils draining out. Our drain pan. On that hole, do not forget to put your drain screw back in there, cause all your new oil gonna come out on your driveway. So now as that finished draining a little bit, dripping a little bit, we're gonna go ahead on, take our drain screw, which is right there. I'm gonna put that drain screw back in there, then we're gonna go to the other side of the motor, and I'm gonna show you how to change out, take the oil filter off. Alright, come on with me. Alright, gang. This right here is oil wrench. Get you a good oil wrench, oil filter wrench. And as you see, we got a Fram oil filter. Right there is your oil filter. So now, got my new Fram filter. And this is a little filter wrench that I use. And basically just go on there like that and it take your filter out. But what I like to do, I like to pre-fill my filter up. This is that Super Tech I showed you out at Walmart. So what I do, fill my filter up.
Boy, if you don't get,
it'll help it make it easier to take off when you get through. You still need a little bit more oil in there. Want to make sure your hands clean. That's how you set up your oil filter. Got my new Fram filter. Then you use that wrench that I showed you, and you tighten it up. It ain't gotta be super tight. You just want it to seal. Alright, I'm gonna get my wrench, tighten it up, and we'll be back with you. Got the Super Flow, full synthetic. Find your oil cap. Screw that. Mine's a little tight because it's a new oil cap. In there. Get it where it ain't gonna fall out. You put your little oil in there. I would not want to act right when I'm filming. Got Super Tech. Pouring it in. Man, I got oil everywhere, man. I'm trying to do this one hand. But anyway, man, get that top back on there. We gonna have a smoke show. Man, boy, I tell you. Anyway, man, we gonna try to get this thing cleaned up, man, and we gonna crank her up. Check the oil pressure, make sure everything good, man. Best of us, man. Happen to the best of us, man. Hey, man. Hey. I knew I should have went and got the tripod out of the house, man, for this, man, but I'm trying to rush, man. But anyway, man, we're gonna go check it out. We're done with everything, and we're gonna go see what the pressure looking like. Crank up. Alright, y'all come on with me. Alright, gang, here we go. Crank up. Let all pressure get on up there. There we go. 40 pounds. Looking good. We're looking good, gang. That's the end of the 2007 Tahoe oil change, man. Hey, man. Maybe you learned something, man. Maybe you got a laugh. But anyway, man, like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. We out of here, man. Holla at you.